Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder about Bitcoin, it is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I upload it, then yeah, the chart's going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. Now, the big dynamic that is currently playing out, and again, I use the word currently because I get it. If you're watching this video 15 hours from now, then the chart is going to look a little bit different for you. But the price is right now breaking down below that level of support. Now, is this a do or die level of support? Does this mean that the entire chart is on the, on the precipice of being totally destroyed? Absolutely not. I'm not saying that at all. My point here is that this was a level at 62.30 that I mentioned previously is a level that you'd ideally like to see hold. And the reason why is if this pulls back that much more, then all of a sudden what you would have is the price having gone back inside of this range that it just broke out of right there. And not to insult your intelligence, but when price movements go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. Once again, really just to reiterate, does that mean that the entire Bitcoin chart is destroyed? No. All I'm saying is that as far as this very nice movement here is concerned, yeah, that would be kind of a buzzkill for it because now that, that movement has essentially rolled back over. So let's just use that 20-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 20 hours after I upload it. The first question you need to ask yourself is, where's the price at relative to the level right here at 62.30? Has the price been able to recover back up above it? Or has the price, done something where the price has just continued on down? So the further the price potentially goes below 62.30, that just means a deeper and deeper back into the range where it was. The price has gone as discussed. Not exactly a good sign of power. But on the flip side, 20 hours from now when you're watching this, who knows? Maybe this has just turned out to be a faulty breakdown and the price has worked its way back above 62.30. So in that situation, it's just a question of kind of common sense, gut instincts, meaning the higher the price is back up above 62.30, well, that just means that the better the reversal has been and that this, has totally just been a fake move to the downside. So, if the price is up at 63.20, don't get me wrong, that's good. The price is back above that level. But if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is back up at 6,500, well, that would really be smacking this in the face here. It's just saying, yeah, that was just a totally false move there. So overall, though, that 62.30 mark going to be very important going forward. Like I said, yes, right now it's currently broken down, but nothing massive. So I'm pretty jealous of those of you that are watching this 15, 20 hours from now because you're going to have a much better idea of whether or not this was a true breakdown or not. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.